Wednesday workout. It's forced inside because of thunderstorms. So we're joined by Colette. See if Colette hangs with us for the workout. So we're going feet together, front and back jacks. So we're just going to do 10. Staying tall, head to the ceiling. And we're going to do 8 180 pivot squats. And I'll start here and go sideways. I'm really going to get on the ball of my foot here so my back's turned to you and pivot there. Tomorrow we'll do some 360 pivots on that. And then we'll monkey crawl. I don't have much space, but I can still monkey crawl. Remember, hands together and feet stay together as I hop back and forth. On my monkey crawls. Then twister jills. Sometimes I have a hard time thinking what to call these, but my hands are going to stay out here and just twist. And do 10 of those. Forward lunge, elbow to front ankle, and forward lunge. Now inside here, my hand will go down. And watch how I drop my hips here. That's the key, and head up, very much like a spider. Push off my heel, lunge, then hand down, hips down, and I bring my elbow, push off my heel. Now however far you have there is fine. Now if you're here and that's your modification, that's fine. Here, still drop your hips and try to get down there as much as you can. Down, there. Now bear crawl and tabletop, I'll go sideways on this again. Tabletop position is we're talking about our back flat and parallel to the ground. See how low close my knees are to the ground, and I try to keep my back parallel to the ground as I go back and forth. And for the bear crawl and tabletop. All right, and now we're going to skip. We're going to go straight leg. So our skip is straight leg here. So here, and I'm not going to go very far forward. I'll get out of frame quick. Another arm's trying to go straight up on our straight leg, and however much that straight leg kick is there for you, that's fine. Now we're going to reverse lunge knee hug here, and the leg reverse lunge will knee hug. So we'll do 3 on one side before we switch sides. If you have room and want to make this reverse walking lunge, that'd be good too. And donkey kicks. I don't think Colette will like this too much, but we're going to do 4. And even if you just kick up a little bit, that's fine. If you can kick up higher, that's good too. All right? All right, Wednesday workout. Have a good day.